Whoever said they do it hasn't never seen me do it, that's just apparent. I hate myself, I agree, that's a sentiment that we sharing. You should never be content with your shit, matter of fact, you should be embarrassed. Let me clarify for the camera, bones don't acknowledge negative gestures. I don't reply to knockoff banter. No, I don't drink if it's not organic. No, I don't smoke if it's not outstanding. Bitch, I've been cashed too many years in the basement. Impossible to face in the dark, maybe face as a cold white hand coming out the vast blankness. Me, I'm only seen when I wanna see the faces. Years with a hiss, with you sitting on ain't shit. Pack up the flows, head out on the road, do as many shows as you can, cause I promise I'ma go faster than you've ever seen it before. Goodbye to the seconds, farewell to the minutes. Today you were found, tomorrow you miss it. Found, tomorrow you miss it. What? Such a bitch. Nigga, bitch.
Know that I see through you. Know there's nobody you fooling. Bones on the horn again, and I don't know just how we planning to do you. Know I'll eventually find you. Know I've always been the kind to hold on to grudges and keep them inside until these planets collide. Fuck what you heard unless you heard it from me. Heard it from me. Wait, don't deserve a thing, let alone a chance to prove, chance to